Now, children, look at this. This is from Quadrilaterals, grade 9. I'll write here. Look at this question. I'll read out what is being given. So I'll mention this from Quadrilaterals. This is grade 9. Okay. Look at the figure. What is given to us? We have a triangle ABC. The side AC of a triangle is produced to a point E such that CE is half of AC given, and this D is a midpoint of BC given. Now ED has been joined and produced to a point F plus DQ PC are running parallel to the side AB of the triangle. So जो भी given था वो मैंने सब describe कर लिया. Proof क्या करना है बेटा? Proof that FD is 1/3 of that complete line FE. ऐसा एक sum है but not of this level. उसका level is little simple. So this one is थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. How do we prove that FD is 1/3 of FE? Let us try for this. Okay, so let us start with the proof. देखो बेटा, first of all, if I go for triangle ABC, correct? Yes, I can take the triangle ABC. So if I start in triangle ABC, you have to find out which side of the triangle is busy with the midpoint. Okay, so I clearly know BC has a midpoint D given to us. So I'll write here D is the midpoint of BC, and the reason for this given. And beta, through that midpoint D, we have a line DQ which is running parallel to AB. That is also given to us. So I'll write here DQ is parallel to AB. Reason is given. Therefore, you know one thing, एक side busy है with the midpoint, दूसरा side busy है with the parallel. तो बच गया कौन सा साइड ट्रायंगल का AC that gets bisected, correct? So I can say that Q is the midpoint of AC. Sure. So I'll write here, therefore Q is the midpoint of AC, and the reason is converse of MPT. What does MPT stands for? That's midpoint theorem. In exam, no shortcuts. You have to write everything in full. So by using converse of midpoint theorem, I proved that Q is the midpoint of AC. So I just want to ask you one more thing, children. Agar Q AC ka midpoint hai, so can I say that CQ and AQ both 100% equal? Sure. So I can say that therefore AQ is equal to CQ, and I'll hold it equation number 1. यहाँ तक clear हो गया सब कुछ? Now, if I'm not wrong, look at these 3 lines AF, QD, CP. All 3 are running parallel to each other given to us. Okay, so with the help of that, I can do something. So look here, please, at the board. So AF is parallel to QD, which is parallel to CP. Reason would be given to us. Now children, you know, if 3 lines are running parallel and if they are cut by the 2 transversals, then the ratio of the intercepts made by the transversals will be equal to each other. So I can say that AQ upon CQ will be equal to FD upon DP. Correct? So I can say Therefore, AQ upon CQ is 100% equal to FD upon DP. Reason for this, ratio of intercept theorem. Or even if you just write intercept theorem, that will also be okay. So I'll just cut this and I'll write intercept theorem. So I can say intercept theorem. But children, if you look into the question carefully, look at equation 1. AQ CQ को equal है. अच्छा, मतलब AQ और CQ equal है, मतलब ये दोनों का रेशियो हो जाएगा 1. Correct? So that will be equal to FD divided by DP. यहाँ पे हम रीजन लिखेंगे फ्रॉम 1. बस 1 में हमने बताया है कि AQ और CQ इक्वल है, तो रेशियो बन गया 1. एंड नाउ इफ आई ब्रिंग DP दिस साइड, सो ऑटोमेटिकली तुमको क्या मिल जाएगा अभी, DP 100% equal to what, FD, and I'll put this equation 2. Okay, let's mark. तो DP पे I'll put say a double dash, FD पे I'll put double dash. Okay, now what next? हमको क्या करना है, FD, this single portion FD should be 1/3 of FE. तो तुमको टारगेट क्या है पता है ना, ये पार्ट और ये PE, all three should be equal to what, each other. That is the only target. Okay, तो अभी ये दो पार्ट्स तो इक्वल हो गया. Now how do I make this third part equal to all these two parts? So for that what I'll do is, okay, I got it. बेटा इक्वेशन 1 में देखो AQ और CQ इक्वल प्रूफ किया था क्योंकि Q मिड पॉइंट है. सो कैन आई से दैट CQ जो है वो हाफ ऑफ AC बनेगा फ्रॉम 1, करेक्ट? सो आई विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम हियर. 1 सेकेंड, आई विल जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन. So first I'll write CQ is half of AC. Yes, CQ is half of AC. Reason from 1. Okay, but children, if you look what is given to us, CE, this small portion CE is also half of AC. Acha, okay, so I'll write here CE is equal to half of AC. Reason to us given. And now children, so easy to get this, huh? Because CQ be half AC, CE be half AC. So I can say that the left hand sides both are 100% equal. So I can say that therefore CQ will be equal to CE. Sure? And now children, अगर CQ CE को equal है, मतलब C is the midpoint of EQ. Correct? So I can write here, therefore C is the midpoint. Therefore C is the midpoint of EQ. Okay, fine children. Now almost done. अभी ध्यान देना. Now I can say triangle DEQ. Okay, so I'll take in triangle DEQ. बच्चा देखो, C is the midpoint of EQ, correct? I can clearly say proved above. So I can write here C is the midpoint of EQ. रीजन मैंडेटरी है, तो रीजन में क्या देंगे हम, proved above. It's proved, correct? That C is the midpoint of EQ. अच्छा, वो midpoint से एक लाइन जा रहा है parallel. Okay, I understood. So CP is going parallel to DQ. इसका भी रीजन आएगा given. Now you know one thing. One side of the triangle EQ is busy with the midpoint. Other side of triangle DQ is busy with the parallel thing. But yeah, एक side, which is that DE, and that gets exactly bisected. So I can say that therefore P is the midpoint of DE. Correct? So I can say P is the midpoint of DE. The reason would be converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. So now I got P as a midpoint of DE. So I can surely say that DP and PE both are equal. So DP will be equal to PE. Correct, children? And now I hold it as equation 3. And now look at 2. DP FD को equal है. But same DP PE को equal है. So I can put double dash also on this. And now I think it's all done. I can say that FE. If I write FE, that would be equal to addition of 3 parts. So I can write FD plus DP, but DP FD को equal है. So again I can write FD. और PE जो है वो DP को equal है, but DP FD को equal है. So again I can say plus FD. So I think FD plus FD plus FD, 3FD, 3 if I bring it here. So I'll be getting FD will be 1/3 of FE. This is what we wanted to prove. Clear? So it's nicely explained. I have taken much time, but the explanation is at the top level. Okay, so I hope you got this maths. We'll come back soon with another questions. Okay, till then, take care. Bye-bye.